In this tutorial, we're going to explain how to create a capture project in Azor Match Analysis. With these types of projects, you can connect up to 4 cameras directly to your computer and use fully synchronized signals. Let's see how to do it. First, open the Azor Match Analysis application and select New Project. Then, select Capture Project and click Accept. Select the folder on your computer where you want it to be saved and give it the name you prefer. Once the project is created, you can directly load your previously saved tag templates. Just click on the button in the lower right corner to load. All loaded tags will be shown automatically. Then click on the first source you want to load. As a side note, we are going to show you how to connect your capture card to the computer. In this case, we are going to use one of the recommended ones, an HDMI capture card through the Thunderbolt port. We will simply connect the capture card to the computer's Thunderbolt port and connect the camera to the capture card. This same configuration would work for cameras with SDI connection. Azor Match Analysis will automatically detect the connected camera and show it to you as a new source that you can select. Once you have selected and adjusted the resolution, the frames you want to use, and the audio you want to receive, click on Start Capture, and the image from your camera will appear automatically. Repeat this process with all the cameras you want to use. Once you have everything set up, you can start enjoying your multi-camera analysis. Follow us so you don't miss any tutorials on how to get the most out of your Media systems.